All right, when you're ready to go to score your bread, you're gonna need to choose the right tool for the job. We've got two different types of lams here. These are the razors used for scoring your bread. We've got a curved lam and a straight lam. What I'm gonna do is show you how to put the blade on the curved lam. What you're gonna do is take this double-sided razor, pinch it, and then this curve follows the curve of the blade. Okay, so you go in the very bottom, and then you go out the top and snug it up so the actual blade itself is curved. Versus the straight razor, or the straight lam, the blade itself is straight. And the way to set this is you just unscrew these two screws here, put your blade in, and then retighten. Now, we use the curved lam for batards. Reason being is that when we score it, the curve of the blade is going to push the bottom of the bread down while pulling the top of it up, which creates an ear, which is very attractive when you're scoring a batard. The straight lam, straight razor, is used for scoring boules because generally speaking, that's not the same aesthetic. You're not looking for an ear on a boule. So you score this straight up and down against the round boule. So choose the right tool for your style, and then we'll score the bread.